What I have to share today is an old mechanical Gilbert mantle clock. These were made in USA in Connecticut, and the first ones were in the early 1800s, and I think they were making clocks up until the Depression times. But this one, it's called a mantle clock. It's the Calpe version, and it could be used as a mantle or on the shelf or in the kitchen or wherever you could set it down. And it does have a pendulum that has a little adjustment on there to faster or slower. And it has like a curtain design on the glass there, painted on there. And it has the Roman numeral clock face with this side is for the bell, and this side is for the clock, so to wind it up. And I think this one is like where you wind it up about once a week, and it's nice wooden design, and it keeps pretty good time. You could open it up. There's this little latch here. You could hear it ticking. See the chime back behind there. Back of the glass there. And this one had a key. Here's the key that it came with. This is, some of them have two keys. I don't know if this is missing one. This is a silver colored one. Some of them have two keys, but this one seems to work for both of the wind-ups. And I'm gonna turn it around here. You can see what it looks like here. The top, around the back here. And there's the label that's on the back of it. Gilbert Clock Company, Winsted, Connecticut. No date on it, but I think this is, I think from the late 1800s, probably, I'm not sure. Anyway, there's my Gilbert clock.